Imagine a garden, not nestled in soil but cradled in a shimmering liquid. This is the captivating world of hydroponics, where plants thrive in a nutrient-rich water solution instead of the traditional soil bed. This seemingly futuristic concept is actually an ancient practice dating back to the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, and today it offers a compelling alternative to conventional farming. But what exactly is hydroponics? Simply put, it's the process of cultivating plants without soil. Instead, their roots are bathed in a precisely balanced solution containing all the essential nutrients they need to flourish. This can be achieved through various techniques, ranging from simple wick systems to complex aeroponic towers. Think of it like this: soil is the intermediary, a middleman delivering sustenance to the plant. Hydroponics cuts out this middleman, providing nutrients directly to the roots, akin to injecting life-giving serum into a patient. This direct delivery system boasts several advantages, making hydroponics an increasingly attractive option for both personal and commercial growers. Imagine a gardener meticulously weeding, battling pests, and wrestling with unpredictable weather conditions. Hydroponic systems offer a welcome respite from these challenges. The contained nature of the setup minimizes the risk of pests and diseases, while the controlled environment eliminates the need for constant monitoring and adjustments. This translates to less time spent battling the elements and more time spent enjoying the fruits or vegetables of your labor. But the benefits of hydroponics extend beyond the practical. This innovative method opens up a world of possibilities for anyone passionate about growing their own food. With limited space, hydroponics allows you to create a thriving garden indoors, on rooftops, or even vertical walls. Imagine harvesting fresh herbs from your kitchen counter or cultivating a mini jungle in your living room. Hydroponics breaks down the barriers of traditional gardening, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of space or physical limitations. Of course, no gardening method is without its challenges. Hydroponic systems require a more technical understanding and initial investment compared to traditional soil-based setups. Additionally, the dependence on technology and precise monitoring can be daunting for some beginners. However, with readily available resources and supportive communities, hydroponics is becoming increasingly accessible. With a little research and dedication, anyone can harness the power of this revolutionary method and cultivate a thriving garden, even if they lack a traditional green thumb. In the next chapter, we will delve deeper into the history of hydroponics for embarking on your own hydroponic adventure.